Testing, testing. Hello, hello. Checking. Ayan. Ano mag-start? I think start na tayo, right? Nag-start na ba? Naririnig nyo ba ako? Ayan. I think buhay na. Nakikita na. Hopefully. Ilang tao ba meron ngayon? Yes, can hear me. Thank you so much, no? Nandito ako sa lower left sa ating screen, just in case. Medyo na-delay konti dahil yun nga, nag-crash bigla yung OBS, no? And first time ko rin gamitin itong OBS. Ayan. Great. So feeling ko may delay konti, no? Feeling ko may delay konti lang, pero I think kaya naman. Thank you, Jambi. Baka in the future, maging gamer tayo dito, no? Yes, it's 7:03 and kikita ko yung chat nyo. Meron pa tayong 4 people in the chat. 8 people in the chat pala. 8 people or 4 people ba? Hindi ako sure. No? But if you can, if you're here, mag-chat kayo kung saan kayo, like, you know, anong profession nyo and everything. Yes. So I guess hindi ako makasyadong super interact with you in the sense na live, no? Pero I guess babasahin ko or babalikan ko yung mga chat just in case may ma-miss, no? Because I did notice na may delay talaga sa ating stream. No? Although wala naman akong sinet na delay, no? It just so happens na mukhang ganun talaga sometimes. Check ko lang kung may ma-edit ba ako dito sa stream in terms of delay. Wala namang sinasabi or anything. So I guess ganito talaga yan. Okay. Alright. Yeah, ito nga sabi ni Jambi sa ating chat. Ano kaya ang magiging feeling? No? Ano kaya magiging feeling? Dahil Cloud Practitioner ito, but ako ay Solutions Architect Pro. No? So I hopefully maging mas madali nga ang ating game, no? Game. Kaya, dapat kaya. At kung mali, magkamali ako, okay lang din. No? Because again, here, it's all about trying and learning. Alright. So I think it's 7:05, no? Medyo 5 minutes na. Yeah, konti lang nag-announce. Hindi ako sure if even na-post ba natin to sa Facebook. And if may mag-attend galing from Facebook itself, no? But yeah, let's proceed. Sana meron pa ang pumasok. No? Okay. So this is AWS Cloud, AWS SkillBuilders, no? And you can go to the website called explore.skillbuilder.aws. Okay, so this is the learning management system of AWS. Okay, so maganda siya, no? For me, very impressive talaga yung AWS na learning management system. In fact, I use this not just for this Cloud Practitioner, but madami silang learning path. So I do suggest, let's say, if may gusto lang kayong aralin na hindi necessarily AWS, no? So, for example, may kung gusto kong mag-start ng machine learning, no? From zero, pwede akong mag-start ng machine learning path. Okay? So, pag binasa ko to dito, no? Makikita ko yung lessons. Ayan, ang dami. I'll start off with demystifying AI/ML, right? If gusto ko more about privacy, let's say privacy naman. Let's see kung anong meron dito sa mga ating LMS, no? Privacy. Again, meron mga ano dito, international data privacy and ating, what do you call this? Data provenance pa nga. So, madami talaga tayong options dito. Madami tayong ways to learn, no? And in fact, sometimes, let's say I've been asked to give us a talk, let's say data science or, other paths. Let's say .NET, no? .NET. I want to go into .NET. Okay, .NET. Search ko lang dito, .NET. Ayan, meron akong a lot of getting started with .NET. Okay. And again, if you just want to learn or become a developer, even without planning on AWS, there is even a developer learning path here. No? So, meron tayong learning path there. I really recommend this also, learning path for you as well. No? So, 25 hours yan. And of course, for those that want to do the Cloud Practitioner, meron din tayong guided lessons sa ating learning path dito sa wag yun instructor enablement. This is for instructors only, but itong pag all results natin, meron tayong lesson plan dyan or what do you call this? Parang area, no? Area na pwede natin gamitin. Okay. So, medyo nawala yung ating chat window, no? Sayang. Hindi ko ma-enable somehow. So, hindi ma-broadcast. Maybe try ko lang saglit na maybe may way akong makuha ang chat window din. Okay, saglit lang guys. Idadagdag ko yung chat no, para nakikita nyo yung chat sa aking stream din. No? So, I'm using, by the way, OBS. OBS. Try ko lang to. Chrome chat. Okay, saglit lang ha. Kunin natin yung Chrome ng Studio. Oop, ang laki. Yan yung itsura ng no? As you can see, grabe talaga. Ibaba natin to dito. Maybe somewhere here. Hindi siya masyadong sagabal. And then, ayan. So, on the spot, nag-aayos ako ng ating what do you call this? Chat. Para maging part naman kayo ng stream, di ba? Ayun. No? So, kita yung chat nyo dyan. No? So, pag nag-chat kayo, makikita din kayo sa stream. Para just maingganyohan kayo mag-chat. Sa mga gusto mag-chat. Okay. So again, what we'll be doing today, this is a special meetup, no? AWS User Group meetup, where we will be doing, we'll be playing the game, the Cloud Practitioner game itself, no? So let's open that Cloud Practitioner. This will be generally my first time playing this game, no? If we just look at first, let's look at the system's requirements. Ano yung kailangan to play this game? Okay, so of course, 64-bit, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, okay. 1 gig available space, mayroon naman ako. Broadband internet, okay. Integrated or dedicated graphics card. Nako, parang okay naman. Hindi naman ako M1, no? Pero interesting to note na yung M1 may issue, no? Recently din kasi yung M1, I don't know if for everybody else, no? Yung containers, Docker containers. Nagkaka-problem ako sa Docker containers na M1. Yung Snowflake din, if ever gumagamit kayo nun. Okay, resolution, browser, gamit ko ngayon is Chrome. Keyboard, mouse, okay. Okay, mobile browser is not supported, no? So, sayang hindi supported yung mobile browser. Let's look at the trailer as well. And mag-react tayo, no? Uso din yung react. So, let's see. Yan. And then maybe some of you can also double check and tell me if you can hear the audio, no?
Welcome to AWS Cloud Quest, Cloud Practitioner. the newest way to build your AWS skills. Cloud Quest is an open-world role-playing game that teaches you how to build real AWS solutions using cloud concepts and exercises. As a cloud practitioner, you'll venture on a journey to help the citizens in town transform their city by...
Yun, no? Parang naglalaro ka pala ng Sims dito, no? As you can see. I hope ganito kalaki. Baka pwedeng sumakay dyan ng spaceship and even go beyond this city, no? Let's see ano pang meron.
Using cloud solutions, you can take your technical training to the next level by turning business problems...
Yun, nakita nyo yun? Kanina may giraffe. Right? Kakaiba. Or baka other players yun, no? Yan, medyo malakas lang daw yung audio. So, hinaan ko yung audio konti. Then,
into technical solutions through puzzles, simulations, and hands-on labs.
Nako, may
As a
hands-on
foundation...
lab. Paano kaya gagawin yung hands-on lab dito? Mag-o-open kayo siya ng AWS console, no? Or dito lang sa mismo, no? Let's see ano mangyayari mamaya. Maglaro tayo ng around 1 hour total and see hanggang saan yung na-progress natin, no? Open world kaya to, baka naman after 1 hour tapos na lahat.
Building block for skill building and career development. Cloud Quest gives you control of your learning.
Parang may pagka Minecraft feel content, no? Or Roblox ba yun? Yun yung uso sa mga younger players, right?
Journey at your own pace. With tons of customizations, unique assignments, and game modes, Cloud Quest is a continuous learning experience.
Oh, may shooter din. No? May shooter. Wow, baka next thing we know, may VR na rin to.
You can earn rewards to unlock various character styles, pet companions, city themes.
Oh, yun, polar bear. Favorite ko naman yung polar bear.
Games and vehicles. Dive into the world of AWS and embark on the quest.
Ayan na. Okay, yan yung trailer, no? So, let's play the actual game itself, no? Dito na tayo. Okay, and we click play now. Let's see what happens. Okay. It's feeling ko browser-based naman to, so I don't need to install anything. Again, checking authentication, sign in. Okay, it's asking me to sign in. So that means SkillBuilder also requires you to sign in with an Amazon account, no? The e-commerce account. So, walang problema yan. We can log in with Amazon. Okay. And sa ating mga viewers, although konti lang tayo, thank you again for being here. Let's see anong gagawa natin sa ating Cloud Quest. Signing in right now. Ayan, medyo black yung screen. Nag-callback. Hopefully, wala tayong problema dyan. I just realized, kita nyo pala lahat ng aking, what do you call this? Aking Chrome extension, no? So, habang naglo-load yan, or hindi naglo-load, meron ako dito GA, or Google Analytics Debugger, AdBlock Plus, ano ba to? jQuery embedding. So, if you, pa ba meron ako dito? Analytics din itself. Absolute enable right click. Yan, may shopback ako. Okay, shopback and others, no? Ayan, medyo loading na. Right. So, kita natin, mukhang malaki yung linoload niya. And it saves automatically naman daw. So, if nakalaro na kayo nito, you know, just chat it also or comment it, no? If you're not watching live, ano yung experience nyo so far? Ayan. So, loading siya. No, this is a game, Cloud Quest game. Hopefully, I guess we ask ourselves, no, ano yung motivation? Medyo mahina daw yung voice ko. Lakasan ko. How about now? Mahina pa rin? Mahina. Let me see what I can do sa voice. Ayan, linakasan ko na. Thanks, Kim, no? For mentioning about my voice quality. Maybe taasan ko pa yung mic. Further, no? Yan. Hopefully, that's much better. Let me know, Kim, if kailangan ko pang lakasan further yung voice ko. Okay, so start game na tayo. Get Certified Challenge. Complete all 12 quest assignments to receive a free access code to the AWS Certified Practice Exam. Okay, offer is valid until June 15. Ayan. Parang may nakita ko icon dito. Click ko nga. Okay. Ayun, biglang nag-sounds bigla. Okay, start tayo ng game. Hinaan ko konti yung ating background music, no? Parang feeling ko masyadong malakas. Yan, so welcome to the city. I wonder if individual yung city na to or share. Welcome to the city. Oh yeah, next. Ayan, we're happy to you decided to join our team.
We are happy you decided to join our team.
Yan, nagsalita
As a
pala.
new member of our IT staff, you will solve city problems by building solutions using AWS.
Okay.
The Cloud Practitioner job role has been selected for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Report to the city to begin.
Report na daw ako sa city, so let's
A
go.
day will help you get started.
Ade, or aid. Ade. Yan, kaka-loading ko lang kanina. Loading screen ulit, no? Daming linaload. Pero let's see. Hi, Scarlet Ice. Thanks for the thumbs up, no? Ano to? Nag-error. Medyo sad tayo dyan, ah. String access is not supported. Okay, medyo bad yung experience, no? Let's try to reload siguro. O click ko muna contact supported, see what happens. Ayan. Contact support daw. So, anong gagawin ko dito? Back ako ulit. Okay, so i-close ko muna tong confirmation, no? Mag-fill up muna ako ng ating support. Ano ba sabi dito support? Yan, okay. Susulat muna ako. Yan, kita nyo na number ko. Okay lang naman. Madami naman sa akin nagsa-spam text din. So, okay. Training to, no? Additional details. Course issue. Yan, course issue. Ito yan. Cloud Quest could not load string error. Para lang alam niya. Using Mac, Chrome, Mac and Chrome. Ano pa ba other details? Yeah, Mac and Chrome lang naman. Okay na yan. Submit ko lang to. awsug.ph. Hello, Kyle. Good evening, no? So, I'm trying to do yung Cloud Quest na game. Ayaw niyang lumusot. So, click ulit yung play now. Hopefully this time, retry ko lang. Retry. Otherwise, baka napaka-iksi ng ating meetup. Kasi, hindi mag-work yung Cloud Quest, no? If meron kayong other suggestions, like maybe sa experience nyo, kailangan ko mag-open ng Safari or sa Firefox, sabihin nyo lang, no? I-try ko rin. Yan. Sabi dito is, ano to? Hindi ko mabasa masyado. Parang medyo masyado maliit for me. Good evening, sir. Ha 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 lang pala. Akala ko may suggestion na iba. Ayan, retry natin ulit yung skill builder. Sana naman lumusot, no? Ayoko rin kasi i-test kanina kasi gusto ko nga parang first-hand experience, no? First-hand experience ko ano talaga yung kung bago ka sa game, 'di ba? Anong nakukuha mo, ano na experience mo. So ito, bumabalik tayo sa initializing, 25%. Okay, thank you Ace, no? At trying to reload and hopefully okay ito. So medyo siguro 10 minutes na akong trying to load, no? Trying to load the game. For sure kailangan siya ng polishing, right? Polishing. Pero again, ang purpose naman dito is to be enjoyable learning, no? Enjoyable learning and you have access to labs, I guess. Start tayo ulit. Okay, reloading. And again, meron naman siyang dina-download na data. I wonder if yung ad blocker ko, no, may issue dahil may ad blocker ako. Okay, parang medyo naghang yung browser ko. We'll see. Nako, naging page unresponsive ako. Wait ko na lang, click ko wait. Okay, come on, Cloud Quest. Sayang naman, no? Pag hindi natin maano. Okay, unresponsive ulit. By the way, hindi ko sure if makikita niyo yung pop-up. So, lumalabas yung unresponsive, no? So, wait natin ulit. Okay, ayaw talaga. Try ko i-reload one more time. Reload page. So, prines ko na yung reload page, no, ng ating browser mismo. Sa browser na ako nag-click dito. Sa upper left. Baka ako lang to. Malas lang ba talaga ako? Ayaw talaga sa akin sa browser ko. Okay, try to reload the page. Yeah, siguro, I think ang recommended ko talaga is Cloud Practitioner, no? Yun naman talaga yung ating recommended Cloud Practitioner for many reasons, no? Like I said, because fundamental siya, it's a background for everyone. So even if you are non-IT or kailangan mo lang na refresher on the cloud, even yung thought process, no, yung fundamentals of the well-architected framework, nandun siya sa Cloud Practitioner, no? And hopefully this game, no, is supposed to help you, no, help you feel or be more engaged, no? Engage with the game itself or being a cloud practitioner kasi game nga siya. Ayan, retry natin ulit. Nag-load na again yung welcome page. Click ko lang yung start game. Okay. So napansin ko dito is parang dito siya nagsa-stop, no? Sa 50%. Ayan, 66%. Ayan, ayaw talaga. No? Nag-error na naman. String access is not supported. Ano kaya ibig sabihin ito? No? Hindi ko pa malaman if ma-recommend ko to, Kyle, kasi ayaw nga mag-work sa akin, no? So, at this point, hindi ko sure if anong magagawa natin dito sa ating Cloud Quest. Medyo disappointing actually, no? Na hindi natin malaro at all. So, ang gagawin ko, ito-try ko siya sa another browser, no? Subukan ko sa Safari. Wait lang. Basahin ko ulit yung system requirements kung bakit na hindi naglo-load. Or subukan ko ito, meron kasi ako ad blocker, no? Subukan ko kayang i-disable yung ad blocker ko. Baka lang mag-okay. Okay, HTML5 naman ako. Firefox, Edge, and Chrome. No? Sige, so disable ko lang yung aking ad blocker and let's see if yan yung root cause ng ating issue. Sana hindi. Sana maging okay to. Okay, one last time. Yes, I'm willing to sign in, no? Issue kaya to sa Amazon login na at the background hindi niya makuha. Yan. So, we're trying again, no? And again, sorry for our viewers. Medyo 30 minutes na at hindi pa tayo nakaka-start. Grabe. Mukhang kailangan ko kausapin yung ating AWS training and certification. And ipadala yung recording na to para makita nila yung experience natin, no? Sayang naman all the effort to create this game, promote it, no? And then hindi siya maglo-load. Parang nasasayangan lang ako if that's really the case. Subukan ko lang to, buksan ko lang to double check, no? Disable ko lang tong ad block din just in case. Pero kanina wala na ako nakita na yan yung issue. Incognito? Di ako sure kasi that means paano ako makaka-sign in para lang ma-disable ba yung app ang ating ano. So try ko lang mag-start ulit. Baka maging react video na lang to, no? Hanap tayo ng somebody na naglaro, nag-stream, naglaro, tapos tingnan natin kung kumusta yung experience niya. Kasi sa atin, wala talaga. Ayan, oh. Wala talaga. Baka subukan ko kaya i-try sa ibang browser, no? Kasi nag-hang na siya at 50%. Ayan, loading. Forever loading po. Nako. Sino kaya gumawa nito, no? Kailangan ng feedback na hindi gumagana. Wala, di na naglo-load. Other laptop with high specs, kawawa naman yung laptop ko. Wala na akong higher specs, maybe next time, no? Gumagana ba to sa'yo, Scarlet Eyes? Have you tried this? Baka sa inyo? Or baka pala baliktad, kayo pala dapat mag-stream, hindi ako. Okay, sinusubukan ko another browser, if that helps, no? So, ginagawa ko na, magsiset up ako ng another browser. No? And let's see if that helps. Yan. Para lang. Kita nyo rin. No? So, ngayon gamit ko ay Edge naman. Edge. Tanggalin ko lang yung ating kabila. Para kita nyo. Okay. Subukan ko mag-login. Hopefully, ito will be a better experience to for everyone. For me also. Pero click ko to, keep me sign in. Sana gumana. Allow nga. By the way, itong SkillBuilders, ito yung every time magsa-sign in ka, laging nag-a-allow. Kahit one time ka nag-allow na, ayaw pa rin. I-keep. So, every time mag-sign in ako, kailangan ko mag-allow, no? Medyo may konting pagka-annoying, pero okay lang. Forgiven. Okay. Yun. Okay, try natin sa Edge. Sana lang talaga gumana. Naka full screen ako. Baba natin konti ito. Baka yung chat, pwede natin ibaba din. Mas malapit sa atin. Black lang siya. At the moment, wala naman ako nabasang about maintenance for this. Yan, medyo fail yung ating so far, medyo fail yung ating experience on the game itself, and also itong live streams type of game of meetup. So maybe in the future we're trying to get back to regular programming, no? Meaning yung back to what you call this? Back to office na some of you. So maybe may iba dyan willing mag-work or mag-attend physically. No? Yan. Clinic ko yung start sa ating Edge. Last time, kanina yung gamit natin ay Chrome, no? Dito siya sa 50% nagsa-stop. So baka ganun pa rin. Kaya yan, tuloy na. Wala na ako ng -1 viewer. Ayan, lawas na. Page isn't responding. Hello, JC, no? So again, we're trying to do this Cloud Quest. Pero ayaw. Hindi nagwo-work ang ating Cloud Quest. Medyo sad, no, na hindi nagwo-work. Wait tayo ulit. And mukhang magiging very short ang ating experience with Cloud Quest kasi hindi gumagana. Or at least hindi gumagana sa akin, no? Ayan, nag-83%. Gumalaw, guys. Gumalaw. Kailangan lang daw ng patience. Baka masyadong kailangan mag-heavy duty internet to. No? Kanina 50% lang eh. Ngayon 83%. At least gumalaw. No? Yan yung ano natin, at least gumalaw. Yan, biglang nag-text loading city na. So, may chance tayo, may chance. Hindi man lang ako nakagawa ng avatar. Ayun. Okay. Welcome to Cloud Practitioner role. Click natin. Next. Next. Parang ayaw maklik. You will be introduced. Okay. Next. Each solution you will build business problem na city, click map points, explore, and then click start. Medyo hinaan natin yung volume ng hinaan natin yung background music, no? Yan. Okay, so I guess ito yung main city. Right? Meron tayong 12 steps. So we can click start. At least nag-load, no? So right now, I'm using Edge everyone. And I had to wait for quite some time to start, no? Parang medyo nagahang-hang. And I don't know why or where. Maybe, for example, if this is serving out of CloudFront, maybe wala masyadong players in this area. Okay, I said, okay, I wanna click start again. Ayun. So, I had to click start twice, no? Medyo may interface thingy. Nangyari. Clinic ko na yung start, ah. Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Nag-loading. Tapos biglang nawala. Although, napapansin ko, may other areas of the building biglang nag-load, no? Kasi hindi pa talaga siya totally loaded. Yan. So, nakita natin may assignments. Ayun. So, yung experience ko so far, no? Medyo mabagal siya konti, I would say, no? So, after you click start, at least meron na tayo sa customization. Click natin customization. You will take your security badge photo when you are done. Okay, sige. Take my security badge. Okay, so wala bang itong random? Walang random. Medyo Asian po tayo, so palitan ko lang yung color. Parang masyado namang hindi ko mag-gets yung color scheme niya. Doon na lang tayo sa pinaka-left. Medyo weird yung color scheme, no? Kunwari, matangkad tayo. Okay. Ano tong shape na to? medyo ano siya sa resources, no? If napansin natin. Doon na lang tayo sa pinaka ganyan. Ito baka may randomize. Ayun, randomize. Sige, randomize tayo para better. Ayan, ito na lang muna, no? Randomize. Next time na lang tayo pumili or modify later. Yan muna yung itsura natin. Yan na po. I wonder if you are playing this, annoying ba yung background sound o hindi? No? Ano tayo dito? What should we call you? Okay, you call me YoungCTO, please. Create na ako ng badge. I wonder where they save this badge, no? Ayan yung itsura ko right now. Start learning. Ayun, ako. Okay, may nakikita kong tao. Ano yun? This smartphone icon is your new XR device. What smart icon? I guess itong... ito. Nasa lower right, no? Tapos may one number. Okay. Contains assignment for detailed help. Next nga. Your first assignment has arrived. Wait, watch out. Okay. Okay. Ako ba yun? Chine-chase ako ng gorilla. Mrs. Gorilla. And medyo kamukha ako kanina, no? Sabi dito, Mrs. Gorilla usually wears a hat. Anyway, click to open your XR device and click route and go. Okay, click tayo ng route and go daw. Route and go. Okay, sige, route and go. Ay, may skateboard pala ako. May giraffe dun. Medyo I'm invading personal space, by the way. Ayun. I can click around naman pala. Okay. Pero kanina nakakatakot yun. Ito, click natin yung ating exclamation point. Loading na naman. Ang daming loading screen, no? Okay, hello and welcome to the city. It's a pleasure to meet you. Okay, so I guess this is one quest na magkakaroon ako ng 100 gems, 3 items, and 10 Amazon S3 stars. Siguro. Okay, click on next. Happy to meet you. Happy to join the team. How can I help? Our data center powers most of the technical infrastructure here, but the drawback is it takes months to procure and configure servers. Of course, pag on-premise ka, yan talaga yung ina-expect natin. Okay, common problem nga. If you're doing it on your own, but if you use cloud, definitely increase agility. Okay, interesting. I have heard a lot of the cloud, but I'm not yet sure how I understand the entire concept. Okay. Cloud Practitioner on AWS provides you access to technology services like compute, power, storage, and database. Resources are available on demand, and you pay only for what you use. That's totally true. Huh? Cloud seems promising. How can it improve my agility? How many days does it take to bring a server online? Anong days ka dyan? No, minutes or seconds lang. Right? Okay, flexibility. Yes, meron. I have a request. We have a web page that predicts the wave of sizes at the beach each day. Surfers check the big waves and families want to know when the waves are lower for safety reasons. Okay, unfortunately, we're facing some challenges keeping the servers up and running. Okay, may surfer area. Is this a static web page? I'm guessing hindi siya dapat static web page, no? Kasi maybe even real-time data. Sabi niya, I'm not sure what static means. Okay, let me check my notes from IT. It says here it is a static website. static website siya. Okay, hindi pa akala ko parang nag-change siya low tide or high tide or depending anong conditions, pero static daw siya. Okay, we can migrate it to an S3 bucket and enable static web hosting. Okay. Nice. I will ask IT department to share the technical details with you. Can I start now? Okay. Because the forecast website is done. So I'm guessing maybe fina-forecast in advance and then nag-create ng what do you call this? Parang nagbe-build ng HTML afterwards. Parang may ina-output and yun talaga yung static, no? So hindi siya real time. Okay, so let's accept. Great, I can't wait to see the new solution. Go to Solution Center. Okay. So now, alam na natin yung scenario. Meron tayong static web hosting. Meron tayong static site. Gusto niya ng web hosting. So let's see what we can do about that. Okay. Solutions building. Center 1, learn, plan. 3, practice, DIY. Okay. Okay. Navigate through an interactive diagram of the solution architect. Watch videos about AWS related solutions. Okay. Okay. Kailangan ko i-click each, no? Habang umiikot pala. So, 1, learn, kanina plan. Hindi ko nabasa. Number 3, practice, no? And then 4, DIY. Okay, so tapos na ako sa 4. Dito na ako. Concepts, S3, AWS. Ayan. So, this is the learn section. Okay, how to build a diagram. Okay, next tayo. Okay, this navigation through the solutions diagram to explain how it works. This is step 1. Click the arrow to move to the next. Okay, so may nakikita ko S3 dito. Meron tayong IT department. Nakasulat dito daily update. So nga, nagpapadala nga siya ng maybe nagbe-build ng file, no? Ng HTML, etc. Tapos para i-serve and i-embed. Okay, hosted on S3, configured to show daily predictions of each size. Okay, client-side scripts. Okay, so maybe client-side scripting siya. React. Okay. Angular or Vue. Each day, a file contains the hourly wave prediction. Okay. And then IT sends to the S3 nga. Okay, visit the websites. Okay, pull from S3 the forecasted data. Ito, great, you've reached the last position. Next, you can watch the videos about S3 with this service, no? Nakiklik ko ba yung dot arrow na to? Okay, click the video icons to view the concept. Okay, click natin. No? Tingnan natin if maganda yung ating gawin natin 1.5 speed. Click natin tong Amazon S3. Let's see.
Amazon S3 Overview. Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is an object storage service. An object consists of data and metadata. The metadata is a set of name-value pairs that describe the object. Buckets are containers for objects stored in S3. An object is uniquely identified within a bucket by a key. The object named photo/puppy.jpg is stored in the John Smith bucket. And it is addressable using this URL. http://johnsmith.s3.region.amazon.aws.com/photos/puppy.jpg. Amazon S3 offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Customers of all sizes and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases, such as websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprise applications, IoT devices, and big data analytics. Amazon S3 offers industry-leading performance, scalability, availability, and durability. It can easily meet fluctuating demands by automatically scaling your storage resources up and down without upfront investments or resource procurement cycles. Amazon S3 is designed for 11 nines of data durability, because it automatically creates and stores copies of all S3 objects across multiple systems. This means your data is available when needed and protected against failures, errors, and threats. Amazon S3 also offers unmatched security, compliance, and audit capabilities. It secures your data from unauthorized access with encryption features and access management tools. S3 is the only object storage service that allows you to block public access to all of your objects at the bucket or the account level with S3 Block Public Access. You should enable block public access for all accounts and buckets that you do not want publicly accessible. S3 maintains compliance programs such as PCI DSS, HIPAA High-Tech, FedRAMP, EU Data Protection Directive and FISMA, to help you meet regulatory requirements. AWS also supports numerous auditing capabilities to monitor access requests to your S3 resources. Amazon S3 is the most supported cloud storage service. You can choose to work with a partner from the AWS Partner Network (APN), which is the largest community of technology and consulting cloud services providers. The migration partners can help you to transfer data to Amazon S3. The storage partners offer S3 integrated solutions for primary storage, backup and restore, archive and disaster recovery. You can also purchase an AWS integrated solution directly from the AWS Marketplace, which lists over 250 storage-specific offerings.
Ayan, no? So, yung videos niya, this is the first time I've seen these videos. No? It's not a recycle. It's not a recycle of SkillBuilder videos. It seems like these set of videos were really made just for the Cloud Quest, no? So, as you can see, ang dami kung content pa lang, no? There's a lot of content that was really used to build or rebuild this apparently. Okay? I wonder if pwedeng italon diretso. No? Yan, pwede naman tumalon diretso if needed. Okay, pinos ko na yan. Exit na ako ng video, no? Kunwari, nabasa ko na lahat. I wonder if it will check na pinanood ko lahat or okay lang sa kanya. Ayan. You can return to the videos later. Now, let's put to the plan. Okay? Plan na tayo. Okay, plan section. It details the building activities that are required for the solution. Here, you will review the tasks you must complete in the practice and DIY section. Okay, sabi dito. Okay, it thinks like maglalab ako in a while. Okay, gagawa ako ng S3 bucket. Ko-configure ako ng S3 bucket web hosting. Mag-upload ako ng lab files. Okay, and meron din dito ang DIY build on what you've learned. Rename index to waves.html. Okay, so let's see. Ano to? The eyes of the icon toggle the details of the practice goals, highlights a portion of the solution that is built using guided steps. Okay. Did you notice that only part of the diagram is highlighted? That is because it's only a portion of the solution that is built using the practice lab steps. Okay, hindi ko masyadong instructions. This I-shape icon, these are the DIY goals. Portion that you build independently without guided steps. Okay, sige daw. Requires renaming a file hosted in S3, but expect more challenging assignments as we progress. Okay. Now that is the plan. Nakiklik ko ba ulit? Hindi ko na maklik ulit. Let's practice. Okay, practice session. He will build the first part of AWS solutions using an AWS account that has been prepared for us. So at least we don't have to use our own AWS account, no? Okay, so let's click next. Click to start lab to provision your new AWS account. Okay, start tayo ng lab. Preparing your lab can take several minutes, so let's continue to explore the DIY section of the solution section. The practice section contains lab steps and micros concepts of the left panel and corresponding images that display on the right panel. Okay. The practice section, you will build a portion of the solution. Once done, go to the DIY to complete using the same AWS environment. Okay. Let's move to the DIY section. Pero akala ko i-open ko din console. Sige, click daw ako DIY. Ako, I wonder if what I'm doing is, what you call this? May tendency tayong to skip instructions, no? Parang click next, next, next. This is the DIY section. Portion of the solution. Okay, next. Okay, and how your solution is validated. Okay. The exercise will aid you in creating S3 socket section in the UI. You must remain okay. Okay, sige. So, kailangan ko daw i-paste yung URL or bucket name lang. Success, you receive a message, signature solution is complete. Okay. Let's check on your AWS Practice account. Balik ulit ako doon. I'm guessing pwede ko na i-open to. There's a timer here. So, okay, console will appear. Click on open console. We open console in a new browser tab on your device. Okay, next. Allow pop-ups to launch a console tab. Follow the DIY practice to build your solution. Once it's done. Okay, so open tayo ng console. Yan. Ayan. So, as you can see, di ko sure if kita nyo, no? So, you'll notice here that I am signed in already as a federated user. So, gumagamit to ng rules, yung IAM. Okay, this is the common prompt for new users, yung bagong console. So, maybe later na to. Right. So, as a, let's say kung bago lang ako dito, no? And nandun ako sa game, I wonder how my game still looks like. So, puntahan ko nga sa game. Right? So, dito, sabi niya, ito yung kailangan kong gawin. Okay. So, may mga steps tayo dito. Lab objectives, click start, follow the instructions. I will create daw, no? Nag-click ako ng next. Let's see if may effect on next. Okay, lab files. Click ko yung download. Okay, go to next step. Okay, sige. Subukan natin i-follow lang talaga yung instructions. No? Maging mabait tayo. Follow natin yung instructions as much as possible. Okay, balik na tayo sa steps. Okay, na-download ko na yon. Okay, extract the content, review the files downloaded. You'll see the 5 files listed below. Okay, go to next step. Console. Punta daw ako ng S3. Okay, create a bucket. Okay, so pwede ako mag-create ng bucket. You see a note about temporarily enabling the previous Amazon console. Switch to the new console. Go to the next step. Okay, doesn't really matter. Okay. A unique name for buy bucket. So, punta muna tayo dito sa ating ulit. Punta na tayo ng S3 itself. Yan, no? So, punta na S3. Sinasabi dito is just type a unique name. No? Ano kaya next step nito? US East 1 din pala ang kailangan natin, no, for this one. Okay. May concept explanation siya, ownership. Okay, dito sabi niya, ownership, choose ACLs enabled. Choose object writer. Bakit kaya object writer, no? But, buti na lang binasa natin yung ating instructions. Gawin natin yan, CTO Cloud Quest 1. Okay, so gusto niya enabled object writer. And go to the next step. So, basahin natin. Ang next step naman ay mayari pag next step. Deselect block public, click acknowledgement, go to the next step. Okay. And then Okay, server-side encryption, in-enable ko, apparently. And then, gagamit tayo ng S3 manage keys. Okay, S3 manage keys. Oops. So, yun tayo, deselect, di ba? Tayo acknowledge. And then, sabi niya enabled yung version. Hindi versioning pala, yung encryption. Gusto niya encryption. And gusto niya yung S3. Okay. Create a bucket na ba ako? Based dito. Mukhang create a bucket na ako next nyo. Verify lang natin against instructions. Yeah, create a bucket na nga. Balik tayo dito. Create a bucket. May error ba? Ayun. Sorry, hindi nga pala pwede mag-uppercase. And in fact, may mga special characters din pala yung ating bucket. Meron tayong rules for bucket naming, no? And also, try to avoid dots as much as possible, no? Para makuha natin yung HTTPS na magamit natin yung HTTPS properly. So, avoid dots as well. Okay, so I'm gonna create a bucket. Okay, so view details. Medyo ang haba nitong steps na to for a very simple lab. Parang madami click. Upload ko. I'm guessing kailangan ko i-upload lahat ng files na na-zip kanina. No? Yeah. Okay, so ito yun. Tapos i-upload ko. Yung files. Yan. So dito, pwede na ako mag-drag and drop. Kunin ko lang yung files natin. Okay, so yung sa zip itself, mayroong 5 files, no? Index.html, main.js, policy text, style. Okay, balik tayo sa instructions. Okay. 4 lang. Ano yung sumobra sa akin? Yung policy.txt. No? Pero okay lang. Upload ko lang. Hindi natin follow konti, no? Click natin next. Have been uploaded, choose next. Okay, upload muna daw ako. Hindi niya sinet na publicly readable or anything, no? Wala siyang sinet like that. Sige, follow lang tayo. So, I guess, upload na natin to with default lang. Without any of the changes in the settings. Okay, balik tayo dito. So, ang gusto niyang gawin is choose, click, review, mga options. Okay, options lang naman yan. Kung kailangan gawin yan. Pwede ba akong tumalo na diretso? Kasi alam ko gusto niya ipa-rename to, di ba? Close ko lang to. That's what I know, di ba? Gusto nilang ipa-rename to rename to wave.html ata yun. Then afterwards, mag-enable ako ng static web hosting, etc. Right? Basahin nga natin muna yung steps. I wonder if mas mabilis. If you're a beginner, maybe the way to do this is yun nga, ito parang nagtatagol-tagol tayo lagi, no? Pero parang ang bagal kasi pag nagtagol-tagol ka lang lagi. No? Actually, wala siyang pina-edit sa akin right now. Okay, yung static web hosting muna daw. Okay, enable ko daw yung static web hosting. Okay, and actually, gagamitin ko yung index.html. So, I guess, hindi ko pwedeng i-rename pa to. Cancel ko lang to. Yan, kasi advanced masyado mag-isip. Hindi nagbasa ng instructions. Okay, so meron tayong permission issues dyan, but that's okay. Sa lab lang yun. Enable natin to. Okay, hosting. And again, gamit tayo ng index.html. Okay, small I. Save changes. Magkakaroon ako ng path, no? Which makikita natin in a while. After ko, save changes. Yes, okay. And then permissions, naka-off na to kanina. Click edit. I-edit ko yung bucket policy. And mag-a-add ako ng policy, no? Sige, gawin natin yan ngayon. Okay, so ito na yung ko, by the way. Click lang natin just to verify, no? So, forbidden pa siya right now. Gusto niya gawin ko, balik ako sa permission. Naka-off. And then, i-edit ko yung bucket policy. Okay. Ito, copy, delete. Wala naman to kanina. Copy ko daw to. Okay. Name search with Bing. Copy. Okay, copied na. And then, i-delete ko to. Okay, delete ko na siya. So, I'm guessing gusto lang niya gumawa tong public, no? Go to next page or next step. Next step dito or next step dito? So, I'm guessing dito, no? Next step dito. Okay, open ko yung policy text. So, yun yung kanina, no? Na kinopy natin or dinownload natin din. Okay, so i-open ko lang to, no? Let me see if I can show everyone also what it looks like. Ito. Ba't nag-load to? Hindi yan yung gusto ko i-load, ah. Okay, ano ba yan? Okay, I think kailangan ko mag-exit ng full screen muna para makita niyo yung ating policy, no? Okay. So, ito yung policy natin kanina. So, dito, ilalagay ko yung bucket ARN. Okay, ano to? Mamaya ka na Mac Pro. Okay. So, ito na yung policy natin. Balik tayo sa ating lab. Full screen. I guess paste ko dito yan. Validate. Saan yung validate? Wala palang validate to. Or I guess dito yung auto validation. Save ko lang yung change din. So pag binasa ko yung policy, no? Since meron naman tayong experience on how to read the policy, basahin natin ulit. Okay, so sabi dito, this is the ID, no? So descriptor lang to. Ito yung actual statement, no? Again, descriptor again ng statement. Just allow everyone, no? Everyone, as in asterisk to eh. They're allowed to do the S3 get object on items inside my ARN. Okay, so publicly allowed to get na sila. Okay, again. So yan, alam na natin, yan yung policy, yan yung itsura dito. So i-follow lang natin yung steps. Ano pa ba gusto niya ipagawa sa atin? Kung meron pa. Okay. Yeah, inedit na natin yan. Click na natin yung save. Balik to tayo sa properties. Okay, review and yung URL. Okay, copy natin yung URL. Open in the browser and dapat makikita na daw natin. Okay, so medyo ginawa naman natin yan kanina. Oh, ba yan? No? So ito yun kanina. Try natin i-reload. Ayun, meron na tayong laman. Okay, by the way, napansin ko na HTTP lang to. So try natin i-HTTPS din. Kung gumana. Yan, gumana naman yung HTTPS. Kasi again, wala tayong dots, no? So, as long as walang dots, ang ating bucket name, para yung SSL lookup 1, you know, parang one subdomain lang siya, pababa. Kasi kung may dot yun, that means may 2 levels ka na, and hindi magva-validate yung S3 na SSL. Okay, so na-verify na natin working to, and patapos na tayo dapat. Step 7. Congratulations. Balik tayo sa DIY. Okay. So, mga ilang minutes din natin ginawa yun, no? Mga around 15 minutes. Maybe 15, 30 minutes. So, lagay natin yung bucket name, tapos validate. So, balik lang tayo dito. Kunin ko lang yung bucket name na ginawa ko, which is this one. Pero nakasulat dito, validation progress, rename index to waves. Bakit ko mawawala yung index ko, no? Which is very weird na yun yung validation steps niya. But sige, since yun yung validation steps niya, maybe gawin ko, let's see if may copy. Try natin go beyond. No? Go beyond yung sinasabi niya dito. So, gumagawa ako ng copy. No? Okay, so gagawa lang ako ng copy mismo. So at this point, mukhang hindi ko ma-change yung name. So gawa lang tayo ng copy. Okay, let's see. Gawa tayo ng copy. So I'm going beyond the instructions, no? Successfully copied. Close natin. Okay, so dapat sa copy, mayroon akong index.html. Tapos rename ko lang to. Rename ko as waves.html. Interestingly, no, in this console, let's see if I can move it. Meron ba siyang move? Meron na siyang move, no? But remember, S3 is actually an object storage, no? Hindi siya totoong folder type. Hindi siya totoong folder type. So what I'm doing, or the console, is just mimicking what if it was a folder type. But sa totoo, hindi talaga to folder type, no? So, ililipat ko siya dito as waves. So, nag-rename ka lang talaga. Okay, move ko lang. Okay, successfully moved. So, dapat. Okay. Meron akong waves.html. At meron pa akong index.html. Let's see ang validation niya. If it actually checks both waves.html and index.html. Sa game, no? Sa game. Kasi yun yung instructions. Pero, balik tayo dito. Ito yung aking bucket. I-validate ko lang to. Validating solution. Successful. Waves file found. You did it. It's now working. Now return to the city and give your customer the good news. Okay, and sabi dito, go to speak to Mayor Jack again to collect your rewards. Oh, finally. Nakalaro rin ng game and nakagawa ng one simple solution. Mayor pala siya? Hindi ko alam na mayor pala siya kanina. Ay, hindi ko napansin, no? Ito matawid na giraffe din. Okay. Nag-wave siya sa giraffe, hindi sa akin. Dapat sa akin siya nag-wave. Okay, simple solution. Okay. Madami na daw beach. Lighthouse to the pier. Please help me choose the style. Okay. Parang ito yung pinakamaganda, no? Pinaka-left na maganda. Wala lang. Although, yeah, pinaka-left na lang tayo. Collect. Diyan, may sounds pa. Then, okay. Oh, hi again. If you'd like to revisit the solution, click something daw. Okay, meron akong points, reputation, S plus 100 S3. Okay. Lesson wise or yung experience? 4 lang siguro, no? Okay, close. Close. Nangyari? Hindi ko ba na-save yun? Yan, close. Okay. Solution, click open and click more, try it. Okay. Dami ko ng numbers dito, 4. Got new assignment, assignment list, new assignment. Okay, got gems, etc. Baril ko yung mga drone. Paano ko barilin yung drone, no? Yes, nasa preview nga yun last time na pwede kong mabaril yung drone. Paano kaya yan? Mabaril yung drone as you mentioned. At may nakita kong arrow dun, pero I'm not yet ready dun sa arrow, no? Ito, pet friend. And ito ay vehicle. And assignments. Ito ba yung assignments? Cloud first step. Pero akala ko tapos na ako dito. Click natin tong nasa upper right din. Okay, drone view, upper view lang siya. Tapos ito, nangyari. Naghang ba? Ay, okay. Parang ganyan. Parang high-level overview lang. Okay. So, balik ako sa resume. And, I guess, balik ako doon. Yeah, ganyan. Ito pala. May parang baril. Ayun ba yun? Yun. Medyo hindi lang smooth, no? Oh, medyo nahirapan ako sa smoothness. Ang baba ng accuracy ko. Ayun, natamaan ko. Pero ano nangyari? Maano ba siya? Supposed to be? Yeah, thank you for that. Ano ba yan? Medyo hindi smooth sa akin, no? Mukhang kailangan kong either ma-upgrade ng computer. Navigate directly to the drone. Okay, go to the drone. Ano mangyari pag nakuha ko yung drone? Quiz! Ang drone ay quiz pala. A bucket is an optional organizational folder. Okay. What is an Amazon S3 bucket? Okay. Container for stored. Every object is contained. Okay. Yan. No? So, hindi siya folder. Again, wala tayong folder system. So, it is a container lang. So, answer tayo dito. Yan. Ito, may hint, no? Although, hindi ko kailangan ng hint. Click lang natin. Tingnan natin yung mangyari. Ay nag-open siya ng ating bagong tab and doon sa FAQ or user guide, no? So balik tayo dito, click natin answer. Ayan, mukhang madami ka nang linaro nito, Alistair, no? Baka naman gusto mo i-share yung video mo naglalaro nito. Yan. Click escape. Okay, escape na ako niyan. Escape. Press escape. Hindi ako maka-escape. Ayun. Maka-explore. Pwede ba pindutin itong giraffe? Ano sabi ng giraffe? Ay, nasabi ng giraffe. Hindi ko makita. Looking for a pet? Sorry, I don't belong to anyone. Itong iba, nakiklik ba to? Okay, sige. Dito tayo sa next alert. Wow, ayan. Nagsi-skateboard ako. Okay, lumulusot ako kay Bayer. Ayun, basically, pupuntahan mo lang diretso yung next person. No? Basahin lang natin yung assignment niya. Okay, major issue to deal with. Okay. Okay, island stabilization system is malfunctioning. Called the physical server. Yesterday, hard disk went down. So EBS naman to. What would you recommend? EC2 with EBS. What is EC2? Cloud compute, servers, resiliency, okay, with maybe auto-scaling, multi-AZ, kanina. 2 data centers? No. Ano siya? Geographically distanced but within the same region. Okay, very resilient, reliable, thanks for the advice, ready to deploy to Amazon EC2 servers. Click natin yung accept. Okay, I'm guessing pag pumunta ako ng solution center yung kanina, no? So try natin i-click one more time, but hindi na natin gagawin to, no? Sa ating game. I wonder how many people have actually progressed farther and farther on this game. No? So ito na yung diagram. Yan, gagawa ng dalawang server with EBS na. So, the same concept, no? May plan. Okay. And then, after plan, pwede kang tingnan mo yung yung videos na kailangan mo. Okay. Again, ito lang, which parts. After mo mag-practice, I wonder kailan pag clinic mo yung start lab, doon pa lang mag-spin up ng environment or practice environment, no? Pag clinic ko yan. Pero hindi ko i-click yan ngayon. Again, hindi ko naman hindi natin tatapusin to. Then afterwards, I'm guessing validate yung nandito, which is kunin yung dalawang instance ID para ma-validate niya. If skip ko, ano mangyari? Click natin yung skip. Pag nag-skip ako, wala akong reward. Wow, okay. So I can skip this. Wala akong reward at this point, but I can always come back. Okay, so I guess if you are just learning, ayaw mo mag-hands-on lab, and gusto mo lang interactive, you can do skipping, no? So, I'll cancel that muna, and I'll exit as well. Because again, we don't need to do this right now. And medyo 8:30 na rin sa ating naiwan dito, no? Thank you so much on staying with me for the last 1 hour, and especially even if nag-troubleshoot tayo for 1 hour, no? Yung ganun kahaba yung troubleshooting natin. No? So, just a couple of more things siguro ako napapansin dito is sa left side, meron tayong XP. XP or reputation points yung gamit nila dito for leveling. Then, meron din tayong percentage of learning sa Cloud Practitioner. Meron tayong gems, no? Gems. I'm not sure what these gems are for at the moment. Maybe if I click some of these other locations, no? Kasi may nakapapansin tayong may mga icons yung iba. So I'm guessing, let's say you're gonna use the gems later on to complete these buildings. Baka lang, no? Para hindi siya nakiklik at the moment for me anyway. So clinic ulit yung upper right to see. No? Nandiyan ako, meron tayong dito. So baka you unlock the design of the building din pag natapos mo yung particular quest, no? And then overall, yun, kaganda yung design ng city mo, or at least yung design lang, no? Pero I'm not yet clear talaga para saan yung dollars naman, yung diamonds, no? Meron tayong ito, kung ano man to. Ito. Nangyari dun. Okay. Pag clinic mo to, yan, nawala lang yung icon. Alright. So, it says here, auto-save daw to. So, if I want to exit, do I just close this at this point? No? I'm guessing you just close it at this point, no? If ever. Let me also try to click the unmute. Yan, quiet na siya. Wala naman siya exit, no? Right. So, I guess before we end, no, maybe some thoughts of mine about the game itself. Right? So, again, medyo hassle siya for me, no? Medyo hassle siya for me in terms of learning. I think I would rather learn personally. Diretso na lang ako sa lessons versus the game. Maybe because hindi siya interactive as much. Or at least hindi siya smooth yung experience. But siguro if let's say, I don't know, let's say if meron kang teenager or college student na gusto lang matry, kasi hindi siya super gamey nice to me, no? Parang medyo hard sell yung game itself. Maybe at later stages, no? Pero yun yung problem dito kasi for me at least, no? If you're gamifying it, sana maganda yung experience sa first hand, no? Ma-enjoy ko agad. Pero hindi ko masyado na-enjoy agad even yung pag-create ng avatar. Medyo buggy for me. Yung loading ng game, buggy for me. And I've seen other gamified experience, no? If naalala niyo Reinvent 2020, right? Meron silang point and click game, yung Reinvent. Na-enjoy ko actually yun. So simple siya, 2D, pixel art, and mas na-enjoy ko yun, no? Parang gagawa ka ng clue, typical point and click game. And of course, may learning, right? So hindi siya necessarily open world, may fixed flow, pero in this case, hindi naman siya, for me talaga parang totoong open world din, no? And I don't see it that you're interacting with other people inside. So solo player lang din siya. So open world style, hindi necessary. So I think the click and point would have been much better dati, no? If I can find that game, and if it's still available, maybe I'll do a playthrough again. Another live stream playthrough of that instead. Alright, so that's it. Everyone, thank you so much for this different meetup that we did for this month, for this April. And I hope to see you on our next meetup on May, right? We always do a meetup once a month. We have a lot, just so stay tuned, Stay tuned in our Facebook channel, meetup.com, okay, and other social media, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for being here, and take care, everyone, and enjoy the cloud journey. Of course, please do try to like and subscribe when you can. Thank you very much.